Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you MoneyLion how to use Boost. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to utilize Instacash Boost, what you need to do is simply earn an Instacash Boost. You can earn Boost by simply making one-time payments, using MoneyLion features and receiving invitations. In order to use Instacash Boost, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your MoneyLion app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then simply navigate to the Instacash and tap on Instacash option to access your dashboard. Then in the backend section, tap manage to see your available boosts and their expiration date. Then once earned, the boost will increase your Instacash advance limit until the stipulated expiry date. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.